All right, it is time to see what books are new at the library and what you can check out. Wonder what's in this box. So you can probably hear the 3D printer running. Okay, looks like we've got a lot of manga and a few middle readers. This is Middle School Born to Rock by James Patterson. This is a very popular series. We have Ignite by Sarah B. Larson. This is a Defy novel. She is a local author and she is having a party for her new book very soon. Come ask me about it and I'll tell you. Part of Your World. This is A Twisted Tale by Liz Braswell, a very popular series, and they are obviously twisted fairy tales on the Disney series, or on the Disney fairy tales. Let's see, we have the Next Adventure Time graphic novel, one of your favorites. We have a new Garfield Fat Cat 3-pack. This is volume 12 and it has 3 Garfields in it. We have Magi number 33, Kimi ni Todoki number 30, Anonymous Noise 11, Magi 32, Haikyuu 33, Magi 36, Diary of an 8-Bit Warrior Forging Destiny by Cube Kid. This is a very fun series. I actually really enjoyed the 8-Bit Kitten. The Demon Prince of Momochi House number 14, Haikyuu number 32, Vampire Knight Memories number 3 just came out, Haikyuu number 29, Magi 33 and 32, and Magi 37, Anonymous Noise 16, Waiting for Spring 11, I don't know if I have those, and Haikyuu number 34. So come check them out. We have lots and lots of new manga for you. We'll see you soon. Bye.